In this free lecture, I will go into detail on what exactly you will be able to do after enrolling in this course. I will also show you how the course is constructed and what you are going to learn in the different lectures. In my opinion, transparency is really important, so you can make an informed decision about buying this course. It is my highest priority to deliver as much value as possible, so let's get started. In the first section, we're quickly going to cover the basics. I will show you how to create an account and how to navigate the dashboard. In addition to that, you're going to learn the essential features in the Canva editor. Following next is the template section. Since you now know the basics, you will learn how to correctly edit all types of templates. I will show you the fastest editing techniques, so you're able to turn your vision into reality. You will learn how to correctly choose and edit elements, how to format and position text, and establish a unified design language. At this point, we've been through a lot of practical steps, so it's time to fresh it up with some color theory and typography. First, I will introduce you to the awesome world of colors. I will show you the real strength of the color wheel, and we will explore different color combinations. You will also learn how to make colors look good when they are combined and what you should absolutely avoid doing. Then, you will learn lots about typography. What is the difference between serif and sans serif fonts? What is leading, tracking, and kerning? How to establish visual hierarchy, and a bunch of other stuff. These two sections are so valuable because you get all the knowledge in 30 minutes that other people accumulated over hundreds of hours. In addition to that, I will also show you the best websites to get inspiration from. This will prevent you from ever running out of ideas. I've been using these websites for many years, and they have been the only ones who have proven to be good. Alright, now you're prepared for the really fun part. You've got all the technical knowledge you need. So it's time to get creative. Together, we will create over 10 highly professional projects. In the Design for Business and Career section, I am going to show you how to create professional charts, presentations, and even business cards. In addition to that, I will show you how to create your own personalized resume. This will help you to make a great first impression. After 4 practical lessons, it can be a little bit boring. That's why I chose the interesting subject of color psychology. Not many people know about it, but colors subconsciously influence us every day, and I'm going to show you how you can use colors to emotionally connect with people. After that lecture, you will be highly motivated to create some more designs. That's why we are now going to create professional social media content, how to create engaging Instagram posts and stories, and even how to make awesome Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook headers. This will bring your social media to a whole nother level. At this point in the course, you are already a professional Canva designer. So it's time that I show you a few secret tips and tricks that will speed your workflow up. I love this section because it really shows how powerful Canva is. In the final section, it's all about logo design. I waited until the end for this, because in order to create truly great logos, you need to combine everything that you've learned so far. After watching this section, you can create timeless logos that will allow you to build a strong brand. Alright, now you know exactly what you get for your money. You should also know that if Canva makes any big changes in the future, I will of course update existing lectures or add new ones. You're always on the safe side. So let's get started, I will see you in the course.